everyone, welcome to the Chocolate Drive, where we love monster trucks just as much as you do. Today we are testing out the track for Sign Up Series 14, going over a new rule and the lineup of 24 trucks and awesome racers who have signed up to compete at race day, guys. Let's check them out. Up first in the Monster MUTT Dalmatian, the defending champion, RS Morales. Up next in the Excaliber, Dolphin Master. In the Velociraptor, the channel's very own Little Chip Chocolate. In the Global Avenger, Toucan plays. We have another Avenger in the lineup. This time it's MamaRRCS Family Gaming in Avenger Fire. Wrapping his favorite truck, it's J-Pace Racing in Megalodon Neon. Bringing horsepower to the track is Farah. In the Son of a Digger reveal steel, it's K and James TV. In Fire Rescue, it's Aiden's Custom Trucks. In Jester, all business, no jokes, it's one bad cool Runamite 2008. Making the wheels on the bus go round. In Fuel Academy, it's Spin Master Monster Jam. Ready to crush the competition, it's Cyclops Hobbies in Stone Crusher. Ready to take the competition to school is Robbie Jairoski in Higher Education. In the Lumberjack, it's Tender 12. In the Big Kahuna, it's Cool Monster Jam 93. Rising up from the deep in the Octanator, it's Dillon Tennant. In the Rainbow Blast, it's Monster Jam Extreme. In the Phased Out Megalodon, it's Monster Jam Top Dog. In the Series 3 Soldier Fortune, it's Green Joe Buff or Joseph Nelson. In the Blue Thunder from Series 25, it's Yeem 8. Ready to phase out the competition. In Dragon Phased Out, it's Race Tiger Race. In the Axe is Sneaker Blocks. In the red Bakugan Dragonoid ready to race is Backyard Jam. And finally, in the Series 28 Bakugan Dragonoid is T-Dog. Now that we have the lineup, it's time to go over a new rule and update suggested by community member Bullseye or Smiley. In the event of any damage or poor performance due to technical issues, we have prepared a lineup of 24 substitute racers for all of the participants. If you want to sub out your truck for race day, type sub in the comments below and we will switch you into your substitute truck for race day. Thank you everyone who has signed up. We look forward to seeing you all at race day.